most popular video on the channel that I had got almost 90,000 views, and 27% of it was from YouTube search. It's still generating views to this day, even though I do not post to this channel anymore. Now, I still believe that YouTube SEO is a scam, but hear me out. I just hear all over the place people saying, agencies saying that we are going to rank you number 4 in the YouTube search tab, or we will make your SEO so searchable that it will rank so high on YouTube search that you will get 1,000 of views a day from it. I mean, there is a part of truth to it, but most of this doesn't reveal how YouTube actually works, and that it's actually not possible to rank anybody number 4 in the YouTube search tab. So let's see what YouTube itself says about how they work with YouTube search recommendations and how the results are formed. I'm opening up the YouTube help, find videos faster. When you start a search on YouTube, it says you can find what you're looking for more quickly because it has automated suggestions. These are called search predictions. So basically, it's not only about your SEO, it's also about automated suggestions that predict what a viewer wants to watch. And let's see how these predictions work. YouTube makes search predictions based on factors like popularity and similarity. It's not only keywords. If a channel with these keywords is more popular, it has more chances to come higher in the YouTube search. It also says where predictions come from. Search terms you enter. Of course, SEO is still important. You don't need to completely ditch this from your YouTube routine. Your predictions are formed from relevant searches you've done or videos you've watched in the past. So if you do all your best to optimize your video for SEO, but it's not what this viewer exactly watched in the past, or you're not a creator this viewer watched in the past, then you are unlikely to rank number 4 in the YouTube search tab. And what other people are searching for, including trending searches. Trending searches are popular topics in your area that change during the day and aren't related to your search history. So it also depends on what other people are searching for and on trending searches, and especially trending searches and popular topics in your area. So it also includes the location of a viewer, not a creator, of a viewer to develop different search predictions. I believe it's more important to focus on other things than on SEO. Maybe we should try and make an experiment. I'm going to YouTube here, which is my YouTube page that I've already used for some searches, and I have the history that I've watched. And along with this, we are going to open incognito window and go to YouTube right there. Let's compare what results we're gonna get having these two separate pages, one with my search history, with my predictions, with what I've watched in the past, and the other one completely unrelated to who I am. Let's search the content marketing keyword because I know I've been using it. What I think will happen is that it's gonna create predictions very well based on my personality and what I do on the internet. Now we search it here. Yeah, so right from the start, you see that based on what I've already seen, I have shorts in the beginning. If I use the incognito mode, I have another video in the beginning. And yeah, we've got some videos that are similar here and there, and we have some videos that are different in my YouTube search. Yeah. I hope I was able to demonstrate you that SEO is a secondary concern of a YouTuber. It's important that your videos have relevant keywords, but it's even more important how you package your videos. Because even if you've got all your SEO figured out, if you don't have the good packaging like thumbnail and title and a good video itself, then it's unlikely that you will be higher in the YouTube ranking. The video I showed you before receives just as many views from suggested and browse features as from search. So if I didn't optimize my thumbnail and title, it wouldn't be popular anywhere, but also I wouldn't receive 70% of the traffic from suggested and browse features. If you would like to become 1% better at YouTube marketing, then SEO is definitely something that you wanted to consider. But how to do this without going crazy? First thing that I would recommend is to do the vidIQ check. The free version, I believe, is enough for you to do some keyword research. So what you want to do is find high score keywords. Let let me go to my vidIQ and show it to you. So I know that there are some popular ones, like if you enter YouTube SEO, it has the 72 score, and it is based on the search volume. Like, it's very high, it's 280,000 a month. That's a lot. You've got really high chances to at least get some views, if not rank #1 in the YouTube search. Then you have the competition that is quite low, so it's a good topic to film your video for. If you have the score that has like the orange or red color, then you probably don't even want to like film the video for this. But like, it's a very gray area. If you want to film a video on this topic and you believe you can bring some value to your audience, and there are still like 1,000 searches a month for this keyword, then it's still worth to do it. That's the first thing that you want to do, is to check if it has a higher score here in vidIQ. The second hack is, if you see that there is some high scored keyword that you want to use, then don't forget to include it in your description, title, and tags. Make sure to do this seamlessly, like so that you do not sound like a robot. You can also say it in the video, because YouTube now understands really well what you say in your video, so make sure to say at least a couple of your keywords in your video, okay? This is the second hack that you can use. Look at this YouTube SEO keyword. It has the search volume of 250,000 searches per month. But above YouTube SEO, you actually need to take care of your thumbnail and title more. Even if your title or description doesn't contain the keywords that people are actually searching, but they will still find your video attractive enough to click on and to watch, it will still come up higher in the YouTube search ranking. Let's see the actual data. So here's my video from the former channel that's called Extreme Minimalist Back With Me. I want to have a look at it. Yeah, I was not really eloquent with my description. I just say, welcome to Back With Me. Hope you get inspired and find helpful backend tips for yourself. Let's look at the video analytics and the YouTube search traffic and see from which keywords I actually received some traffic for this video. It's only the YouTube search. Okay, so people were entering minimalist packing, how to pack backpack for travel, Back With Me, minimalist packing for travel, backpack packing, backpack for travel, minimalist travel packing, extreme minimalism, Back With Me, backpack, minimalist travel, packing backpack travel packing, one bag travel as well, extreme minimalist, all of the things that you can think of. And the most popular keyword was minimalist packing here. I don't have it like word for word in my title, nor in my description, nor in my video itself, but I still get a lot of views from this keyword. So it's just an encouragement for you to not focus that much on YouTube search and on SEO and on like writing word for word of the things that people are entering in the search tab, because you can see that word for word copying the keywords is not going to like help much. Or you may say that if I did do this word for word, I would receive more views from search, but I do not believe it, honestly, from my experience in YouTube. Even more important than YouTube SEO, even more important than title and thumbnail, would be the idea. Even the most sassy packaging will not save a bad video idea. So make sure to check out this video where I show you how to find good video ideas that have a potential to go viral. And this all using AI, so not much work at all. And have the most wonderful day. Goodbye.